Unboxing Lola Lena's. So this is the classic one. Classic donuts. Okay, for $2.99 sa Grab. So heat before eating. So meron nga pala silang classic donuts, triple cheese donuts, and siopaw tostado. So masarap din triple cheese. Daming cheese talaga, hindi tinipid. So, yan. May scotch tape pala. Anyway, let's eat. Yan. So, meron pang eating instructions for old-fashioned donuts and for siopaw tostado. So, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 donuts. So, let's get. Hindi ko na initin kasi masarap din naman siya. So, it's sugar-coated donut. Yung parang bicho-bicho. Yan. And, as you can see, ayun na yung cheese.